Hi guys, I'm Suprabha. In the previous video, we studied different kinds of events. Those were simple event, compound event, impossible event, and so on. In this video, we move forward and learn what are independent events and dependent events. Definition of independent event is event that is not affected by any other event. This simply means that outcome or occurrence of any event does not affect the probability of occurrence of other event. For example, suppose we pick marble from a jar and we pick up any card from there. So the probability of occurrence of picking up any marble from the jar will not affect picking up any card from the deck. So these two are independent events. For any two independent events, probability of A and B will be multiplication of their individual probabilities. This also can be written as probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. We'll see one more example. Probability of getting any three numbers when a die is rolled thrice. We know die has 6 faces. Suppose the die is rolled at the first time and we get any number. So probability of that any number will be 1 by 6. And here, as we had studied in the first video, this is for the first time. When the die is rolled for the second time, the probability of getting any number again will be 1 by 6. And for the third time as well, we'll get 1 by 6. So according to the formula, probability will be 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So that is equal to 1 by 36 into 1 by, this will be 1 by 216. So this is all about the independent events. Let us study what are dependent events. This is exactly opposite what we saw in the independent event. Definition says event that is affected by other event. So again we can simply say that outcome or occurrence of any event affects the probability of occurrence of the next event. For example, we have a bag and we have 2 coins in it and 3 stars. So what is the probability of picking star at second pick? I repeat the question. Suppose we have a bag with 2 coins and 3 stars. What is the probability of picking any star at the second pick? So before second pick, let us see what happens at the first pick. Suppose at the first pick we pick up a coin. Now the probability will be we'll be left with 1 coin and 3 stars. So the probability of picking star at the first pick will be 3 by 4. And the probability of picking star at second pick will be 3 by 4. And if suppose we pick up 1 star, so we'll be left with 2 coins and 2 stars. So the probability of picking star at second pick will be 2 by 4. Now if you see, whatever will be picked at the second pick will depend upon what is picked up at the first place, either the coin or the star. So this is nothing but the dependent event. Now let us see what with replacement and without replacement means. Whenever we pick up a coin or star, and if suppose we replace the same for the second pick, so this means that the probability will remain same and it will turn into independent event. Without replacement is what we saw in the previous example, so that is nothing but the dependent event. We'll see one more example for clarification. Suppose we have a deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of picking two king cards? So for the first pick, the probability of picking first king card will be 4 by 52, because we know there are 4 king cards and there are 52 total cards. So this will be 1 by 13. Now for the second pick, as first king card was already picked up, now we'll be left with 3 king cards and one card will be reduced. So this will be 3 by 51. So these are nothing but dependent events. So this is all about independent and dependent events. Thank you. Thank you for your support till now. We'll need it further too. So please like the video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.